For my Div III, I built a sort of large-scale mechanical sculpture that I installed on a wall. I started out like building gears, trying to figure out what the geometry is for them and what the best way to make them is, because I knew I wanted to, make this sort of like chain-linked, gear-driven sculpture that's sort of dealing with the concept of function in a kind of abstract sense, and what does it mean to be sort of a functioning mechanism. I really enjoyed the building process the most, taking like brass and aluminum and steel and removing these parts of them that weren't the sculpture. It's like with these gears, you take these little round blanks and then you take everything away that's not a gear. I've never managed to put it back in the same way twice. I've installed it 15 times now. A lot of this process has been learning to just let it be what it wants to be. The name of the piece is Material Metabolism.